design.
Every home begins with a breath. A soft inhale of light. Of quietness. Of intention. This is where it starts. A kitchen opened wide. Framed in oak and white. Where the walls don't contain, but instead invite. You step in. And everything feels still. But it's the kind of stillness that moves you. Subtly. From the warmth of sunlight pouring across the stone floor, to the vibrant garden just beyond the glass. This isn't a showcase. It's not made to impress. It's made to welcome. And it does. Effortlessly. In a world that moves too fast, we choose to slow down, to notice how light falls across a wooden floor, how silence can make a space feel full. This is Tom Design, a place where homes breathe, and design listens. If this quiet beauty speaks to you, stay a while. Let yourself feel. And if you do, subscribe. Because here, we don't just show spaces. We feel them. Design, at its best, disappears. It doesn't shout. It doesn't distract. It supports. The cabinets here aren't just furniture. They are gestures of simplicity. Oak textures, soft to the eye. Hidden handles that ask for no attention. A surface that invites your hand, without ever asking for it. It's IKEA-inspired, yes. But not in imitation. In philosophy. Form follows calm. Beauty follows clarity. And then, the boundaries dissolve. The glass slides back. The air shifts. You're not inside anymore. And yet, not fully out. Here lies the magic of connection. Between kitchen and courtyard. Between human and green. Lavender and fern sway in the breeze. Sunlight dances gently on terracotta. A rhythm begins. And suddenly, the home begins to breathe with you. At the center of it all, the island. It is not a showpiece, but a stage. For breakfast rituals, afternoon prep, quiet midnight tea. Natural light floods from above. Lemons rest in a bowl. Wooden utensils lie in wait. Nothing demands your gaze, but everything earns it. This is not about perfection. It's about presence. Next to the kitchen, the dining space unfolds. Not with grandeur, but with grace. A light wood table. Chairs that don't dominate, but offer quiet comfort. A linen curtain dances in the breeze. While a plant leans slowly toward the sun. It's not decorated. It's styled by life. The way meals mark memory. And sunlight tells time. Behind every clean line lies intention. Pull open a drawer. You'll find not just utensils, but thought. A place for everything. Everything in peace. The appliances. Hidden. Tucked away like secrets. So the space can speak for itself. This is where function surrenders to feeling. And design bows to daily life. Step further into the courtyard. And the world quiets. A rattan chair waits patiently in the corner. A coffee cup cools slowly on a stone table. The wall, textured with time. Is kissed by golden hour light. This is not escape. This is return. To soil. To scent. To softness. A garden doesn't need to be large. To be abundant. It needs only to be felt. The modern touches. They're here. But hidden in kindness. Lights glow beneath the cabinets. Not to dazzle. But to ease. Smart controls respond to your voice, but never interrupt your rhythm. Sockets appear when needed, then retreat in silence. Technology belongs, not as spectacle, but as servant. And here, it serves serenity. Measured. Planned. And yet, it feels unplanned. Only 4 by 6 meters for the kitchen. 3 by 4 for the courtyard. But somehow, it stretches. Not in square footage, but in feeling. In air. In openness. Because when space flows with intention, it gives more than it takes. And design becomes effortless. And now the day begins to close. Golden light folds into the oak. A breeze lifts the edge of a curtain. Steam rises from a quiet cup. No words. No clutter. Just presence. And peace. This is the rhythm of a home. Designed not to impress, but to hold you. A kitchen. A courtyard. A feeling. Only at Tom Design.